to install these LED light strips, one there, one right here, and my helmet. So I just cleaned it off. It was dirty. I just cleaned it off with rubbing alcohol. I'm allowed to dry, to air dry, and then I'm going to install it on my helmet. Stay tuned. So this is a HJC i10, and then I'm going to install it and then show you the final product. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I just installed the second half. So I'm trying to keep the HJC sign visible so you can see it. So I'm gonna put it underneath, then it goes up this way. All right, so first side. So this is the right side. And then I'm going to do the left side. So yeah, hold on. As you can see, this is the top side, and I'm going to try to get it just like this, symmetrical on top. All right, so it can matches the other side. All right, so stay tuned. All right, let's try this again one more time. All right, so the top is completed, as you can see. Started by the front right here, all the way down. All right, so let's complete the side, and then, all right. All right, peel this tape off. All right, so let's try to get it. So there you have it. So I need to figure out where to put this, the transmitter. So there's a possibility I may put it maybe right here. Go down a little bit. I may stick it right here. Yeah, I think this is a good spot for it. I'm gonna put it right in the back right here. I think right here is good for it. So this is where I'm going to put it. All right. Let's see. So just put the light on. Let's put the light off. Again, just like, share, comment, subscribe. Alright, so there you have it. That's Max. Great time to mess with his bones. But yeah, see the top? Made kind of symmetrical. A small gap right there. Small gap right here. And right here meet together and go over here. And then the sides come up. You can see the HJC up underneath, above to right here, then go down. All right, other side, the same. HJC sign, come up to here, and then go straight up. All right, there you have it.